Hey, I got a new tool in today and I am super pumped about it because it's probably going to be like really useful and I didn't even know it existed. I found it doing a little search around one of my favorite shops on the internet, and so let's get into it. I don't have a GRS Benchmate system, but I've always been really interested in the ring holding, the inside ring holders that they have that come with that. And this has a lot to do with that. So stay tuned if you want to see more. I'm going to move the camera and put it over top this table so that you can see what it looks like when I open the package. Stick around until the very end and I will tell you about another tool that should be just as helpful. I got my beaver ball vise right here because I'm going to put it in there. It is called the horizontal inside ring holder. Anyway, I want to see what it looks like and see how it fits in here. You can use it inside any kind of vise is what it said. So I have my two rings here that I'm going to test out. This is a size 7 and this is a size 8. This one's already finished, but this one I am working on for a client. So I am going to start out by taking everything out. So we've got 7 little mandrels here. I've got my little Allen wrench, the tool, and this little cone and a bolt. So I'm going to attach this, like tighten it up. If it's in there really well, it does have like a little divot right here. I think that must be for putting it into the GRS thing. So you're supposed to put the bolt in there and then find your mandrel that fits a little loosely inside your ring. So I think this is it. So I'm going to put my bolt in there and try to attach it. Now I think you can put it on this side, but I think this is probably the best way to do it, to where this gap is here. You need to have the widest opening towards the cone so that the cone fits right in there. I'm going to put the gap on the bottom, put my ring on there, put it on the hole, my Allen wrench, and start tightening it up. And there you have it. No movement whatsoever. So that's really cool. Now this other ring has a wider top on it, and I want to see how it does with that. Now when I am ready to work on setting the ring, I'll make a new video and I'll be better at putting everything together by then, hopefully. So let's see. This is the one I used, and I don't know that I don't think that's the right set here. I think this one's better. Remember, the largest opening towards where you're going to put the bolt and the cone, so it slides down in there. Ta-da. And then I'm going to just make sure the band is on it. I'm going to put it all the way to the left of the mandrel and start tightening it up. The band is still on the mandrel. It's just that edge there is sticking over onto here. Look at that. This is going to be so much easier for putting in those details on the hands and the crown. So here is the mandrel, and this is like a wide ring. It's maybe about a ½ inch wide on the setting side because it's a Claudia ring. So it's got support right here above the crown. There's still even more space there. And if I tilt it to the side, and I guess move it, if I tilt it to the side, you can see that there is a gap there, but I think it will be okay. And I can always flip it the other way when I'm setting it so that that portion is on the mandrel and supported by that while I'm setting it with the hammer hand piece. If you found value in this video, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified of all of my future videos. Coming soon, I will review the other inside ring holder. It's vertical, so you can work on the edges of the ring band. It can go into any vise, just like this one. It doesn't have to be the GRS Benchmate system, which I think is amazing. I am also starting a new series on the most essential budget-friendly metalsmithing tools that you need to get started as a metalsmith. So stay tuned for that. And until then, have the best day that you can.